Hey everyone, welcome to Power Generator Depot. Today we're talking about a common issue, which is generator noise. Whether that's for your industrial site or your backup power setup, a loud generator isn't just annoying. It's a safety concern and can even be a violation of local regulations. Let's dive into practical ways to minimize your generator's noise levels. Tip number 1. Placement is everything. Keep your generator as far away from work areas or neighboring buildings as possible. If you're outdoors, place it behind natural barriers like walls, fences, or shrubbery to absorb sound. Indoors, make sure it's in a dedicated, ventilated room with soundproofing materials. Tip number 2. Invest in a generator enclosure or soundproof cabinet. These are specifically designed to contain noise while maintaining airflow. Adding acoustic panels or foam around the generator can further reduce sound, and just make sure you don't block vents your generator still needs to breathe. Tip number 3. Vibration is a major contributor to noise. Use anti-vibration pads or mounts under your generator. They absorb movement and prevent noise from traveling through floors or mounting surfaces. It's a small investment with a big difference. Tip number 4. Keep your generator well maintained. Worn parts or loose components increase noise. Also, consider a high quality muffler. It's like giving your generator a voice modulator. Cuts the harshness and lowers decibels without sacrificing performance. Finally, tip 5. Be mindful of when your generator runs. Schedule test runs during low traffic times and avoid long idling periods. Every bit helps keep your site quieter and neighbors happier. What goes inside of a generator is like a car's engine. And if you know anything about cars and engines, you know that it's loud. And this one can power a home or a site. So just imagine how loud that can be. So the generator already comes with padding on the door to be somewhat soundproofing, but of course, that's never going to minimize all of it. So these are some tips to help you minimize it more. That's it. By placing your generator wisely, adding enclosures, using anti-vibration mounts, keeping it maintained, and operating it smartly, you can minimize noise without sacrificing power. For more tips and industrial generator solutions, visit us at Power Generator Depot. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell to never miss a educational video from us. Make sure to follow for more tips like these. Minimize noise, maximize power. Power Generator Depot has you covered.